Pero ang sinasabi ng House Committee on Justice si Luistro, na exception daw yung impeachment, attorney. Paki-explain mo nga yan.
So, yan yung position nila, but with all due respect to them, we do not agree because number one, yung cause of action po namin is not the Bank Secrecy Law itself. It's the AMLA itself, Anti-Money Laundering Act, Bank Secrecy Law, and then the Data Privacy Act. Kasi may mga penal provisions po yun.
Yun yung habla ni Attorney Manscarpio.
Yes, opo.
Oh, doon sa Fiscal's Office.
So, prohibited po kasi mag-release ng AMLA records. So, since they released it,
they're liable.
may liability po yun
Oo,
under the
wala ba silang
Anti-Money
liability
Laundering
sa ombudsman? Kahit criminal action lang ang pinahal nyo.
And it's also, si Attorney Manscarpio is a private individual. Hindi siya nakaupo sa gobyerno. So, napakalaking problema ang kinakaharap ngayon actually ng HOR o si Congresswoman
Sa
Luistro.
confidentiality
Yes.
of bank records. Bakit kaya inaano nila attorney nila Bayon na yung si Luistro ay lagi nilang sinasabi dyan na exception daw yung impeachment na yan.
Sige ma'am, since you asked, discuss ko na din basics of the impeachment if you don't mind.
Oh, we have the
Sige.
time.
Yeah.
Sige po. So yung impeachment process kasi, that's a two-stage process. Initiation and the impeachment trial proper. So when we say initiation, that's exclusively given to the House of Representatives. Wala po tayong question doon. Pero as to the trial proper itself, that is solely given naman to the Senate Impeachment Trial Court. So currently, we are in the initiation stage pa lang po. And as explained by the House of Representatives themselves, it is akin daw to a preliminary investigation. So pag preliminary investigation po, in a regular preliminary investigation, wala pong power like that of a regular court ang body na yon.
Oo.
Therefore, they cannot use it as part of the exception dun sa banking secrecy or AMLAC laws.
Kasi they are not allowed to conduct a trial there.
Yes.
The Constitution states that the trial shall be the sole power of the Senate.
Yes. Plus, yung clear lang din po sa jurisprudence natin, the only precedent we have is the late Chief Justice Corona's impeachment. So, na-disclose nun yung bank records niya sa Senate Impeachment Court, hindi sa HOR level.
Correct.
So, from there, makikita na natin yung difference talaga ng two phases of the impeachment process. So, dito, this is only for determination of probable cause, which is a very low evidentiary requirement. So, yung mga very specific details, that should not have been disclosed. Dapat doon na yun na discuss sa Senate para mapagbangga talaga at talagang ma-cross-examine.
Paano pala nila, anong ginawa nilang reason kung bakit nila sinabpina yung AMLAC records at mga ITR ni Manscarpio, Attorney Carpio?
I think I'll refrain from answering, ma'am, kasi I'll be defending them in a way.
Okay, ako na lang ha. Kasi yan kasi si Trillanes kasi, mayroon siyang affidavit. Di ba nakita nyo doon, nag-appear siya doon. Na sinabi niya may mga transactions daw si Attorney Manscarpio na ganito, ganyan. Kaya, ginawang rason yon na ni Kong Luistro na ipasabpina yung AMLAC. Yung AMLAC is not, according to the law, shall not reveal in any manner. Di ba? In any manner shall not reveal. Walang exception doon. Kahit doon sa ibaba ng batas, walang exception doon. Ayan, Trillanes, katabi ni Ombudsman Boying Remulla. Pag napakulong mo, Ombudsman Remulla, si Martin Romualdez, kakampanya ko, Remulla for President! Boying, pero Boying hindi si John Beck. Hindi Kay Boying Remulla. Yan ang reason why, ginawa nilang reason yan na ipasabpina nila yung AMLAC. Pero, again, may nag-o-object dyan ng mga congressman. And I agree. Bakit naman wala yan sa complaint, yung affidavit na yan ni Trillanes? Ngayon lang yan, tumuhaw ba? Kung sabi sa Ilonggo pa, tumuhaw. Bigla na lang sumulpot yan. Tapos, hindi naman yan part ng complaint. Hindi ba kaya nga nag-o-object si Vice Chair ng committee, si Congresswoman Jennifer Lagbay, na we should not add to the complaint. And the committee should not what do you call this, subpoena documents to add to the records. Yan din ang sinabi ni Congressman Batikan na din yun at practicing lawyer, Congressman Rufus Rodriguez ng Cagayan de Oro at ni Congressman Garbin. Pero siyempre, alam niyo naman si Congresswoman Luistro, may AX dahil kay Speaker, may TAX dahil sa Speaker.
TAX.
Eh wala. Talagang wala lang. Strike out pa yung manifestation ni Kong Paulo Marcoleta. It was really an objection. Strike out pa from the records. Grabe, oh.
At
Ngayon
saka-
lang ako nakakita. Kapwa mo, Congressman, isa strike out pa from the records. Yan ang problema sa due process ni Congresswoman Luistro.
At saka, Mama Bing, may nakita ako dong isang butas dun sa nilabas ng AMLA. Yung sinasabi ng conjugal na pagmamayari or joint account ng mag-asawang Carpio and Duterte, no? Kasi meron dun silang isinama na from 2006 and 2007. I don't know kung ano. Nakita ko yon na hindi pa naman kasal si VP Sara at saka si Mans Carpio. Dun pa lang, makikita na po natin na talaga naman, ang gusto lang talagang gawin ng House of Representatives dyan ngayon sa hearing ng impeachment is talaga namang sirain lang ang kanilang kredibilidad at integridad at
Makasakali.
layunin lang makasira. Sa totoo lang.
Totoo
yun
lang, ang
naman
gusto lang
talaga.
nila, bumaba sa survey si VP Sara para may chance sila sa 2028.
exactly.
Yan talaga ang purpose dyan ng House Committee na yan. Dahil kung tutuusin, ang kailangan mo naman to impeach 16 votes sa Senado. Wala naman kayong 16 votes.
Yeah.
15 lang kayo, minus 1 pa kayo kay JBRC to. Alam mo, mahirap yung mga re-electionist na senador. Pag bumoto po kayo pabor sa impeachment dyan, baka hindi kayo manalo. Di ba? Baka lang. Ako naman, hindi ko naman sinasabing for certain. Pero syempre, magagalit po yung mga taong ayaw sa impeachment. Tsaka, bakit pa po ba tayo nag-i-impeachment? Hanggang ngayon, may fuel crisis pa, may inflation pa, may unemployment pa, at kaka-jumping jacks ni Bongbong Marcos ay hindi pa rin natatanggal ang VAT at excise tax. Bakit pa tayo nag-i-impeachment sa dami ng problema? Sayang lang po sinasweldo ng mga mamamayan sa inyo. Ngayon, ang tanong dyan, bakit kaya Attorney Abayon? Yun ang gamit nilang exception yung impeachment na pwede daw yan dyan sa House Committee. Baka naman yung impeachment ay exception po yan doon sa isang batas, hindi po doon sa AMLA. Kasi sa AMLA na batas, shall not reveal in any manner.
So yung ginagamit nila mainly, well, from our observations, it appears yung sa mga press statements nila na they are commingling bank secrecy and the AMLA law. So because may exemption daw dun impeachment sa bank secrecy, therefore it carries over to AMLA. Pero yung position namin, hindi yun covered automatically because they are, number one, separate laws with different provisions. Number two,
Separate functions.
separate
Exactly.
functions and purposes.
At sinabi naman sa Supreme Court decisions na even so, even if you claim such an exception, dapat you follow the procedural requirements.
Correct.
Yes.
Bakit yung bank secrecy, hindi ba dapat may court order yan?
Yes.
Oh,